Hello, welcome back dear friends. Today we are talking about Ramzan, which is starting from Friday. Ramzan cleaning, preparation and resolution. As we all know, the holy month of Ramadan is about spiritual cleansing, family togetherness, love, grace, charity and many other rewarding things. So for this, I have prepared my house first with cleaning my kitchen and closets and the house. Cleaning my kitchen, closets and my house. Next, come up with a little bit of decoration and the setup for Ramzan, which I have taken out the siparas for the kids, which would be easier for them, and then I have marked this start. I have taken out only 15 siparas for now, and then in a week, as they will keep reading, we will switch the other next 15 siparas. This is made by Sadia, my best friend. Her kids, they did this craft thing for the happy Ramadan. We have an automatic candle and just to light it. Over here I have some pieces which are very appropriate to set up a corner for Ramzan. This is the mark where they can keep the completed or the finished siparas over here. I love to use ittar. This is a nice gift. Beautiful smelling ittar from Burhan and his wife Sarish. Thank you so much. These are some of the souvenirs when friends they go and they bring for us from Makkah and Medina. For more Ramzan decoration ideas, I have asked my sister and my sister-in-law to share the Ramzan decoration idea and how they have decorated. So I'll be sharing the pictures of those. I have also set it out the dishes, plates and everything usually which I use for Ramzan, iftaris and suhoor, and set it up in this cupboard. Mugs, dishes, more dishes, bowls, more bowls, other dishes which I'll be using. I have also set it up this corner with some appetizer plates. I love these covers to cover the dishes without the covers for the fire thing. Some paper products, we'll be refilling it as needed, and napkins. I love these for the sherbet, just some different look other than the jugs, and napkins also. If you have something like this nice and fancy for the khajur, for the dates, set up, take out all your nice trays if you guys use those, glasses. I have some of my glasses set it up here and other in the cabinets. For the namaz corner, I have set it up this room. Over here, I have these janamaz, the salam mats, set it up here. This is my new janamaz, again from Burhan and Sarish. Thank you so much. They brought this one for me. And these janamaz are also the ones which we use. One trick or tip is, usually I like to, not only for Ramzan, I like to refresh the salamat, the janamaz with Febreze, and for my janamaz I like the ittar. I have always loved the smell of the ittar, but for some people it's too overwhelming and too much, so you can refresh your salamats with Febreze if you like. I also want to show my tasbih collection. I'll just leave it and keep it over here. These are some of the tasbih I have bought. Some are presents from friends who visit Makkah and Medina, fortunately. So these are some of the tasbihs which I get. This is my new tasbih. It's a Ramzan gift. I would love to show it to all of you from my beloved friend Sadia. She did a handmade tasbih for me. It has 100 beads in it. Look at how beautiful. She does take orders also. You can message me and get the information. This is for me and it has my name. This will be my tasbih for this Ramadan. I'll be using it and remembering you in my prayers. And some other tasbihs for the kids. They can use, each day they can use a new tasbih. So now let's come to the preparation of Ramzan. I know that some of the ladies and people, they do it on daily basis, but majority of us like to prepare for Ramzan ahead of time so we can spend less time in the kitchen and spend more time in ibadat. And that's what I'm looking forward to. It's also a tradition being raised in Middle East that we prepare for Ramzan ahead of time and make just the basic spring rolls, samosas, Shami Kabab. And I learned from my friends, some of the friends, that how they do more of this stuff in advance. They prepare more in advance to make their Ramzan and fasting easier. Some of the friends, they do say that Ramzan is not about food. That is so true. I do understand, but we have enough hours before the iftar time, like easily 10 to 12 hours minimum before the iftar time, and then 6 to 7 hours before the sehri to do the ibadat. But when the kids are home and they are keeping the fast, keeping the rozas, I think a nice iftar is a great treat for all of the family. So let's see, I'll show you the clippings that when I was preparing. Hello my friends, the preparation for Ramzan is going on. I am making the samosas. These are from ground mutton and I'm almost done, but wanted to share. I'm using the TYJ spring roll pastry sheets, some mixture of flour and water. Scissors just cut it. And so when I'm cutting these sheets into 3 pieces, just like, let me show it to you. When I'm cutting them into 3 pieces like this, so this is the size compact small keeme ke samosa. When I'm cutting them into just half, these are these kind. This is my best attempt to make the triangles, and they are like this. I don't know. I like this shape. This is very well formed and beautiful looking. So I am almost done and finishing up. Stay tuned and start with your preparations too for Ramzan. My workstation is ready. I'm making chicken spring rolls for Ramzan. Wish me good luck. I have to complete this project by midnight. So I'm not bragging, just showing the preparation, just a little bit which I was able to do. I completed my chicken spring rolls, my Shami Kabab, and the samosas, which I was showing you the preparation. In the description box below, I'll be sharing some more preparation which are just a little bit of is left, and I have 2-3 days more to and prepare a little bit more for Ramzan so I can spend more time and energy in the ibadat. And the other thing is preparation ahead of time is more important in those parts of the world where the fasting hours are longer than us, and in the houses or homes where the moms are working. Majority of the responsibility of the kitchen falls on a woman, and then it makes it easier. If they are making it easier, their fast and their Ramzan, so let them enjoy, let all of those enjoy who have prepared earlier. Just like New Year's resolution, we have to talk to our kids and sit down and set up a Ramzan resolution too. For me, I think as the kids will be home and doing the e-learning and fasting and trying to manage everything together, we all as a parent have to be more patient, tolerant, and also give them gentle reminders for praying on time, reading Quran, and limiting their screen times. Subhanallah, we have fallen on such a strange time that has led Ramzan to be celebrated in separation and isolation rather than union. We all are going to miss the Taraweeh gatherings at the mosque, iftar parties, and the suhoor parties. But as we are quarantined, we should spend great time. So I wish you all a happy Ramadan, and I wish that you all enjoy the Ramadan with its true essence and blessings. Please do remember me and my family in your prayers, and if you have got any great tips from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, take care and have a blessed month of Ramadan.